When it comes to health insurance, knowledge is power. Welcome to our channel, Venteur Health, your go-to source for all things ICHRA, health insurance, and wellness. I'm Lori, and today I want to help you decode terms that are associated with health insurance costs. From premiums to deductibles to copays, understanding these terms is essential for financial planning. All right, let's dive in. First off, premiums. Think of this as your monthly membership to have health insurance. Understanding how premiums are calculated can help you make informed decisions when choosing a plan that fits your budget. Next, we have deductibles. This is the amount of money you must pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. It's important to note that deductibles can vary depending on the type of plan that you have. Some plans have high deductibles, so you'll have to pay a significant amount before your insurance starts covering your medical expenses. Other plans have lower deductibles, making it easier to reach the coverage threshold. Now let's talk about copayments, or copays for short. It's a set amount you pay for certain services or meds. For example, you might have a $20 copay for a doctor's visit or a $10 copay for a prescription. Out-of-pocket maximums. This is the most that you'll have to pay for covered services in a year. Once you hit this limit, your insurance will cover all of the costs for the rest of the year. Now let's go over health insurance acronyms. HMOs, PPOs, EPOs, and POS. HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization. I like to think of this as your economy class plane ticket. You'll have less options, but a lower premium. This type of plan typically requires you to choose a primary care physician who will coordinate your health care and refer you to specialists when needed. PPO, Preferred Provider Organization. Think of this like your first or business class ticket. More expensive, but comes with more perks. You have more flexibility in choosing healthcare providers. You can see specialists without a referral, but be aware you'll pay less if you stay within the network of preferred providers. Next up is EPO, which stands for Exclusive Provider Organization. Like a PPO, an EPO plan allows you to see specialists without a referral. However, you must stay within the network of providers to receive coverage. Lastly, POS, or Point of Service. This type of plan combines elements of both HMO and PPO plans. You'll need to choose a primary care physician, but you can also see specialists outside the network with a referral. Now for acronyms associated with healthcare providers. First, you probably have a PCP or a primary care physician. Your PCP is your main point of contact for all your healthcare needs. They provide preventative care, diagnose and treat common illnesses, and refer you to specialists when necessary. Next, specialists. Specialists are doctors with expertise in specific areas of medicine, such as an ENT, ear, nose, and throat doctor, OBGYN, which stands for obstetrician/gynecologist, or a cardiologist who specializes in heart-related conditions. Other healthcare providers you may encounter include RNs, registered nurses, LPNs, licensed practical nurses, and PTs, physical therapists. Each of these providers plays a crucial role in delivering quality care. Whether you're a health insurance newbie or a seasoned policyholder looking to expand your knowledge, I hope this video provided you with some clarity on commonly used health insurance terms and acronyms. Check out our blog regularly for more tips and tricks to help you build your health insurance literacy, and subscribe for more content like this.